Good morning, everyone. Here are the Sanibel Island and Captiva Island updates as of August 22nd, 2023. Before I get to the police blotter, I'm just going to go over a couple newsworthy items for the week. The Green Flash, a restaurant on Captiva Island, is looking for workers. They need hosts and bartenders, full-time and part-time. So if you're in the area and you're looking for a job, email them your resume at greenflashcaptiva@gmail.com. I have ate at the Green Flash several times. I enjoyed it immensely. It is a great restaurant. Beginning Monday, August 21st, approximately 70,000 tons of sand will be brought to Sanibel at Blind Pass to replace lost sand due to Hurricane Ian. 25 trucks a day will bring the sand from a local quarry. Work will take approximately 90 days. Beaches will remain open. All right, let's get to Sanibel's weekly police blotter as of 8/22. On August 16th, officers responded in reference to a disabled vehicle. Upon arrival, a records check revealed one of the subjects had an active warrant in Lee County for failure to appear in court for driving with a suspended license. The subject was arrested and transported to the Lee County Jail without incident. It's a female. I think I just say that because it's like the first time I think we've had a female arrested on Sanibel. She is a St. James City local. She was released, took her 2 days to get bond. She was released on the 18th, a $1,000 cash bond. Other enforcement actions for the week. On August 15th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle for running a stop sign. The driver was issued a notice to appear for never having a driver's license issued and a warning for running a stop sign. On August 18th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle for excessive speed. The driver was issued a notice to appear for never having a driver's license issued and a citation for speeding. On August 19th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle for excessive speed. The driver was issued a notice to appear for never having a driver's license issued and a citation for speeding. On August 20th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle for excessive speed. Upon further investigation, the driver was issued a citation for speeding, a citation for unknowingly driving with a suspended license, and a notice to appear for attaching a tag to the incorrect vehicle, and a notice to appear for possession of marijuana not more than 20 grams. The driver arranged to have the vehicle towed from the scene. So if you're not familiar with my police blotters that I read every week from Sanibel Police, notice to appear is basically in lieu of getting arrested. They have to show up to court on a specified date, and if they don't, a warrant will be issued. It's just, I think it's easier for them to do an NTA than taking them to the Lee County Jail themselves. Trust me, I go through like Lee County's arrest records. Their jail is pretty full, so I imagine this NTA really helps them keep the jail population down. But keep in mind, it's the same as getting arrested. It goes on your record as essentially being arrested. So if you get an NTA, don't think it's a good thing. Other enforcement operation statistics. So basically the summary for August 15th through August 21st. There was 6 alarm calls, business and residential, 17 911 non-emergency calls, 1 traffic crash, 92 radar details. That's pretty high. That's a lot for the week. 44 traffic stops. Within those traffic stops, 24 citations were issued, 4 written warnings issued, 19 verbal warnings issued. That's the first time I can remember them actually counting verbal warnings, so I don't know what that's about. And 2 field interviews, 662 residential area checks, 187 business area checks, 1,215 total area checks, 0 reported burglaries, 0 reported thefts. That is excellent. And total CAD calls for the week was 1,494. And their important reminders was, last week I mentioned how like there was 4 Sundays in a row where Lee County was waiving the Sanibel toll, but Sanibel did not waive their parking fees, so you didn't have to pay that $6 toll, but if you came to use the beaches and chose to use their public parking, then you had to pay, and that was $5 an hour. Remember, Lee County collects the Sanibel toll causeway. They collect those tolls, and then they give a portion of it to Sanibel. A lot of people are under the assumption that Sanibel is keeping all that toll money. It's not true. It's Lee County is keeping the majority of those tolls. And, you know, hurricane season is upon us, so if you have a hurricane pass from last year, it's still good. And let's see, remember, don't park on the street. No street parking is allowed on Sanibel. And that's about it. It's pretty slow week. We're all just waiting for September 5th. That week I'll probably do a lot of updates because there's just a lot going on, and I'm going to tell you everyone's opinions because I don't know. Maybe it'll just be one video that says it was voted down no, which would be perfect, but I don't know if that's what's going to happen. So anyway, see you next week.